There everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So let's head over to WhatsApp application first. For that, in there, once you're there, you have to find their conversation you had with. So if you can't see their profile picture, you can know that they have blocked you. And the second one is you can try to send them messages, but if the messages gets undelivered or there is just one tick in there, you can also know that they have blocked you. So let's say like in here, if I just send a hi, there is a double tick or single tick. So if there is a single tick, then you can know the person may have blocked you. So the last thing you can try is trying to call them. So you won't find the ringing tone in there. You will always find it's calling. So this is how you can know they have blocked you on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.